आई थिंक क्यूज एंड हो चुका है, तो आई विल शेयर माई स्क्रीन और इसमें हम लोग फिर सबके स्कोरिंग देख लेते हैं। ओके, इज माई स्क्रीन विजिबल? ओके, ग्रेट. Okay, top three.
Okay, so we are removing the ones जो ने multiple attempts किए हैं, and then जो ने first attempt किया है उसमें जो हमारे पास top आ रहे हैं we'll be selecting those, and अभी आपको दिखाते हैं उनका नाम, and then we will move towards the QA session. आप लोग QA session start कर सकते हो, and we'll share the names जो कि top 3 हैं जिन्होंने multiple attempt नहीं किया.
Okay, okay. Here's the thing. Let me just reload it last time. Okay. इसमें स्कोर ले लेते हैं. Okay. अब जिन्होंने मल्टीपल अटेम्प्ट्स किया था हम उनको डिसकार्ड कर रहे हैं. तो टॉप थ्री स्कोरर विल बी मोहम्मद खासन, शीजा जावेद एंड अली सुल्तान. सो बेसिकली हम लोग स्कोर के हिसाब से कर रहे हैं. इसमें टाइम वगैरह भी आ जाता है और कितनी टाइम जल्दी किया अटेम्प्ट किया, और उसके अलावा हम टोटल पॉइंट्स कितने थे और एक्यूरेसी कितनी थी.
Thank you everyone for joining us. Now I'll share my screen and you can see the QR code for our login social platforms. This is our slide for the social platforms. You can scan the QR code for it. And thank you everyone for joining us. And also we are having an uh, on-site event on November. We are not yet explaining you or telling you the topic. Or sorry. We are having that event on graphic designing on coming November soon, inshallah, and we are not yet confirmed about the date and time, but we'll let you know about this, and we are looking forward to see you there as well. Thank you everyone for joining us, and this is the QR code for our social platforms.
Okay, so if you have any questions related to the Python event, you can ask them in the WhatsApp group. Most of you are added there. And thank you so much for joining. We'll be sharing the certificates soon on Monday or Tuesday, inshallah. And yes, the event that Arij was talking about, it's a physical event. It's on graphic designing, as most of you guys were also requesting, and other students from other badges, they were also requesting this event. So it's on UI and UX, and we will be conducting that event by the end of November, before the midterm examination, so don't worry about that. And we'll be sharing all the details in all our WhatsApp groups, and we mostly have the number of your CRs as well, so there's no worries कि आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. Inshallah, you will get updated, and we will let you know. So make sure to join it, because that will be a big event. So, and yeah, thank you so much everyone for joining. Allah Hafiz.